you did one long array that whole distance, the metal on the outside would expand so much that those outside posts would like lean by like inches.
Wow.
So if it's on a roof, right, and like, you know, the shingles and stuff get hot, does that end up like expanding the solar panels with the roof, or does it just stay there?
I mean, technically the shingles expand at their rate, the wood on the deck expands, the metal, the panels expand, all at different rates, and that's why they kind of keep them in digestible chunks. And you know, the hardware will take up a little bit of that.
Yeah.
But then once you get really big, you wanna break it up.
How many kilowatts is this system?
It's 38.8 DC, and then with the micro inverters, it's 33 AC.
More than enough this building will expand.
Oh yeah, for sure.
It'll even have stuff left over yet.
So they're putting in battery backups then?
Nope.
They're gonna
back on the grid.
Yeah.
Go back to the grid.
Back to the grid, and hopefully when time goes on, they said that they're gonna hopefully be able to go from this building to the next building and keep going with that.
And they're talking about expanding some of their usage and getting some more equipment in there and charging stations in.
I hate rear is not composite either.
Yeah, totally.
See, if you had it on your head, that would
design this one. They have the adjustable, but because it's broken out into 4 arrays,
there's a reason for
they can
everything.
do that one at 45.
I'll be different and wear it
35,
backwards.
25, 15.
You'll be retarded.
And then monitor it and see in real time how pitch changes.
Still works the same way, innit?
Like literally bring your class
If you touch
out,
the brain.
change the pitch, and see the difference.
You gotta have a brain
Cool to
first.
do like a time lapse.
Yeah.
You know,
You must have a brain because I'm related to you.
do some pitch
That's why
changes.
most of the guys drill holes in their hat for vent. Because it's designed to take the impact the way it is. Totally. You start putting holes in it, it degrades, it undermines the.
Is this your first solar install?
Creates a cracking.
Yeah. Really? Yep.
So how come our
would you
dick's
mind
been
give me
cracking
a
lately?
couple of minutes on camera? Just talk about some stuff and we go get set up here.
You think
You
that
know it
is?
right here, it's fine.
We're doing tours all day.
Okay, no, it's fucking wrong.
You think that is?
Rank or that idiot.
Porch and our
I will
porch is
make it
cracking.
easier.
Your porches?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna use the F word
From
every word
ours.
so you can't use it.
Every time you hear this shit is fucking ridiculous.
All you just hear is bleep, 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 bleep. You have to put in every single bleep too.
Put this shit into that shit. He's gonna go.
Looking good out there.
Hey, you want some chips or a muffin or anything?
Yeah, I want something like that. Oh, sorry. No, you're good. You're good. I got this too.
These things. There's all kinds of good shit. Take some to your friends.
Ooh. Rather classic nacho cheese. I'll take that. I feel like these other hardworking guys might be more deserving of it than I am, but I'll still take it. All right, thank you.
What is important crop for Latin America? They have 3 different crops in Menominee. This corn, squash. I got it. Thank you.
Oh, you're still recording, aren't you?